Cycladic art includes the visual art of the ancient Cycladic civilization during 3200 to 1050 before Christ era. A group of islands in the southwestern Aegean is called Cyclades. These islands are rich in resources like iron ores, copper, lead ores, gold, silver, emery, obsidian, and marble, leading to assemblages of objects, mostly marble vessels and figurines. This art is divided into two different periods, Neolithic art and early Cycladic art. Neolithic art of the Cyclades includes pottery that is similar to that of the Crete and Greek. Early Cycladic art is divided into three periods. Early Cycladic I, which includes three groups, Pelos, Pastrias, and Laurus. Usually, Pelos figurines follow schematic elements, which are very flat in profile and lacks a clearly defined head. One of the most known Pelos figurines are the violin-shaped figures. Plastiras figures are marked by exaggerated proportions, making it the most naturalistic among the three types. Plastira figures are carved with elongated necks, muscular legs, and angular upper bodies. The figures are typically small in size and are not able to stand on their own. Laurus figurines are combined with naturalistic and schematic elements. These figures have featureless face, elongated necks, simple bodies with attenuated shoulders that tend to extend past the hips. Early Cycladic II is divided into 5 varieties. The first variety is the capsula variety. Capsula figures shows tendency of slenderness. The shoulders and hips are much narrower as well. The figures are very small in size, rarely larger than 30 centimeters in length. These figure lacks detailed features like the nose and the ears. The second variety is the Spedos variety. It is the most common of the Cycladic figures. Spedos figures is characterized by slender, elongated female with folded arms. The figures also shows U-shaped heads and has deeply incised cleft between the legs. Ducatismata variety is the third variety, with characteristics showing broad and angular shoulders and a straight profile. The figures displays a strong sense of geometry that shows an evident head which features an almost triangular shape.
The fourth variety is Shalandriani variety. This kind of Shalandriani variety is characterized by reversed arms or even abandonment of the folded position for one or both arms. Also, the upper arms and the shoulders are also the thinnest point of the sculpture. The head is triangular in shape with a prominent nose connected to a pyramidal-shaped neck. They are often presented as pregnant. The fifth and last variety is the Haumasa variety. The uniqueness of Cycladic art is perhaps best illustrated by their clean-lined and minimalistic sculpture, which is amongst the most distinctive art produced throughout the Bronze Age Aegean. The best-known art for this period are the marble figures, usually called idols, though neither name is exactly accurate. The former term suggests a religious function, which is by no means agreed on by experts, and the later doesn't properly apply to the largest figurines, which are nearly life-size. Small statues were sculpted from local coarse-grained marble, and although different forms were produced, all shared the same characteristics of being highly stylized, with only the most general and prominent body features represented. Most of the figures were sculpted from slim rectangular pieces of marble using an abrasive such as emery, which is almost as hard as diamond. In pottery, the artists were provided with local clay that were difficult to handle with, resulting to above mediocre pottery plates and vases.